In the global food industry, cocoa is the core ingredient driving continuous innovation in the chocolate, bakery, and beverage markets. However, with the impacts of climate change and structural adjustments in the industry, the global cocoa supply chain is under immense pressure, and price fluctuations are intensifying. With a global production of nearly 5 million tons, Africa contributes 77%. Yet, small and medium-sized farmers and traditional producers face multiple challenges, including budget constraints, high costs, outdated processes, and insufficient equipment. Industry upgrades are urgently needed. Against this backdrop, high-end alkalized cocoa powder, known for its unique flavor and higher market value, has become the focal point of global customer attention. Mastering advanced processes, reducing costs, and executing projects rapidly have become the common demands of customers worldwide. This is where Gelgoog comes in. As a global leader in one-stop cocoa processing solutions, we adhere to the advanced technology and intelligent equipment and production line planning and accompanying services philosophy to help clients overcome production challenges. With cutting-edge process research and equipment manufacturing technology, Gelgoog has developed innovative cocoa processing equipment and provides comprehensive services, enabling rapid project implementation and reducing overall costs by 20–40%. At Gelgoog, our high-standard food technology lab and the Cocoa Alkalization Technology Innovation Center, CICT, serve as hubs of innovation. Our process engineers and mechanical manufacturing experts are dedicated to delivering products with superior flavor and exceptional quality beyond expectations. Alkalized cocoa powder, as a core processing technology, significantly enhances the flavor and color of cocoa powder, meeting the needs of high-quality chocolate, beverage, and baking ingredients in various markets. With our new generation alkalized cocoa powder production process, we achieve continuous, stable production capabilities of over 500 kilograms per hour, ensuring that the final product's flavor and quality match international standards, giving our clients a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, our GSE 2000's hydraulic oil extraction and defatting equipment, at the heart of our lane production system, is designed for high-efficiency cocoa butter extraction. The perfect combination of unique design, innovative materials, and advanced digital control systems ensures the shortest cycle time, maximum output, and minimum energy consumption, delivering exceptional production efficiency to the global market. Whether it's cocoa nibs, cocoa powder, cocoa butter, or other finished products, Gelgoog offers end-to-end services. From raw material processing, process optimization, to final products, we provide comprehensive support to ensure seamless integration and quality assurance at every step. The success of any production enterprise depends on the stable operation and sustained high performance of its equipment and systems. Gelgoog's excellent service and global delivery capability ensure that your factory runs smoothly. From design and installation to technical training, production tracking, spare parts supply, maintenance, and repair, every step reflects our professionalism and reliability. Gelgoog has established strategic partnerships with 6 of the world's top 100 food companies. In the cocoa and chocolate sectors, Gelgoog has served over 40 corporate clients across 16 countries on 5 continents, earning widespread acclaim. Choosing Gelgoog means choosing a reliable and trusted partner. On the journey of the cocoa industry, we stand by your side, hand in hand, to create a brilliant future together. Gelgoog, empowering the global cocoa industry, shaping the future.